In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Steam must be running to play this game. This is a common problem that many gamers encounter, and it can be incredibly frustrating. Fortunately, there are straightforward solutions that we can implement to resolve it and get you back to gaming in no time. To begin, ensure that the Steam application is installed on your computer and that it's up to date. Sometimes, an outdated version of Steam can lead to compatibility issues with certain games. So go ahead and launch Steam, and if there's an update available, make sure to let it complete fully before proceeding. Next, it's important to check if Steam is actually running on your system. The easiest way to do this is to look for the Steam icon in your system tray, which can be found at the bottom right corner of your desktop. If you see the icon there, great, that means Steam is running. However, if the icon is missing, you'll need to manually start the application. Simply double-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop or search for it in the Start menu and click to open it. Once Steam is up and running, try launching your game again directly from your Steam library. It's possible that if you were trying to launch the game from a shortcut or a third-party application, Steam might not have been properly engaged. This small action can often resolve the problem immediately. If launching from Steam doesn't work, another helpful step is to verify the integrity of the game files. This ensures that all files are correctly synced and nothing is missing or corrupted. To do this, navigate to your Steam library, right-click on the game that's causing issues, and select Properties. From there, you'll want to locate the Local Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then check the files and, if necessary, download replacements for any files that are damaged or missing. This process can take a few minutes, so it's a good time to grab a coffee or a snack while you wait. After verifying your game files, you might also want to check if your antivirus or firewall settings are blocking Steam. Sometimes, these protective measures overstep and interfere with Steam's functionality. Try adding Steam to your firewall's exceptions list, and if necessary, do the same for your antivirus software. Make sure to only mark Steam as an exception for confirmed safety, as it's a trusted program. Lastly, a simple restart of your computer can be a surprisingly effective fix for some users. It ensures that any temporary issues or corrupted caches are cleared, offering a fresh start for Steam and your game. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Steam must be running error and enjoy your gaming experience without further interruptions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!